If you're tired of logging into every single site just to download order reports, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you how to export every single order from all your stores at once using Shop Central. First, let's look at the quick export. This is perfect if you only need specific data, like last week's orders or orders from just one of your shops. Navigate to your Shop Central dashboard. Go to Store Manager and click on Orders. Here, you can filter by store, order status, or date range. Once you have the list you need, just hit the Export CSV button at the top right. Just like that, Shop Central aggregates that data into a clean CSV file ready for Excel or Google Sheets. Now, what if you need a master export for the entire year across all your connected stores? That's where the export tools come in. In the Store Manager sidebar, click on Tools. You'll see the Backup and Data Export section. Select your period, choosing between this month, this year, or all time. Look for the Universal Order Log card and click Export Orders. This tool deep dives into your database to pull every transaction record, customer email, and shipping detail into one unified master file. It's the ultimate time saver for tax season. And for those who want a more professional look, Shop Central Pro users can also generate a centralized PDF report. This creates a beautiful invoice-style summary of your total revenue and sales volume across your entire network, perfect for sharing with stakeholders or your accountant. No more jumping between tabs, no more manual data entry. Just one click and your data is ready to go. If you haven't tried Shop Central yet, you can grab it at the link in the description. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more WooCommerce workflow tips. See you in the next one.